Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Poonam Sharma. Recently our government has banned 59 Chinese apps. So in this video I will be going to tell you about some good alternatives, substitute apps for those. So now those banned Chinese apps are not available on Play Store for download, but there might be chance कि आपके फ़ोन में अगर already installed है then they might be working. But I'll request you all to uninstall that because I have also installed. So as a good citizen of India, we have to uninstall them, right? So number one, we're gonna talk about TikTok. So the TikTok is the most popular app, and there are some replaceable apps for this. One is number one, Dubmash. Dubmash is not an Indian app, but it is a German-based app. So I tried using that, but I have found less Indians there, so I've uninstalled. So I think recently some good, the top TikTok creators have started using Triller app, and so I have also tried downloading Triller and tried using them, and somewhat there were many things which were similar to TikTok, but yeah, there's many things which are not present there in Triller app, but yeah, slowly it will move on to that. Some other apps, Repozo and Chingari, both are made in India, so we can use that. And yeah, these are exact replicas of TikTok, but yeah, there are not many features available on that. So Chingari and Repozo is purely an Indian app. It's a little slow on these apps, right, and the quality of video is not also good as compared to that, but yeah, they might be working on this later on. The best part about Chingari app is that they have a different section for news feature, so you can read news on their app Chingari. Recently Instagram has also come up with a new feature called Reel, and that is almost similar to TikTok, but there are not many features and many options available there, but that's okay. So next most popular app which is banned is UC Browser. It is owned by Alibaba Group and it is the second most popular app in the country. Well, I used to download this app for just downloading new release movies, and then I uninstalled them just because it shows very irrelevant ads and so many pop-ups. So I think the Google Chrome is best for searching anything, although new release movies are not available on Google Chrome, but I think Geo Browser and Epic Browser are there. You can try these apps, both are Indian apps. So I believe Geo Browser is the best app for using fast and secure internet. So it is similar to UC Browser, and the app provides you great engaging news and entertainment content. Next is Cam Scanner. I was a huge fan of Cam Scanner. The very good alternative for Cam Scanner is Adobe Scanner. I have used Adobe Scanner, Doc Scanner, and Microsoft Lens also tried, but in all these three apps, Adobe Scanner I think is the best. So Adobe Scanner is not an Indian app, but yeah, it is most trusted app. I have used this app and noticed one flaw in this app was that the processing was very slow, but yeah, sharing was very fast. Similar is Microsoft Office Lens product, but I think Adobe Scanner is best as compared to this, and Doc Scanner is also almost similar to Adobe Scanner. Next is WPS Office. Although it is not banned, it was not on the list of the Chinese apps which were banned, but it is also still available on Google Play Store, but I have stopped using this because it's a Chinese app. WPS is developed by Chinese developer Kingsoft. The good replacement for this is Microsoft Office. Similar to that, it is almost similar to that, and this app gives you access to Word, Excel, PPT, and it has also editing tools and inbuilt templates which you can use. So Google Office is also its product Word, Excel on Play Store, separately available on Play Store, not in combined form as Microsoft Office is available. Another one is Office Suite. It is also okay, but it will always show you a pop-up to use their free trial, which is very irritating. So best in all is Microsoft Office. I am using that, so you can also use. One is Viva Video. It's a very popular Chinese app used for editing pictures, videos on your mobile phones. However, this app has always privacy issues. So if you're looking for a safer alternative, there are many apps available for video editing and creating a collage of pictures and creating a video with pictures. So there are many apps available, right, like KineMaster, UCut, Vlog, Power Director. These all are amazing, and all apps have different features, so you must be finding some different features on each app. I used Viva Video to create dance videos because उसमें आप जो song है वो choose करके आप उसमें अपने video में song चलता है, and then you keep recording videos. So this was the good feature. ये फीचर मैंने अभी तक किसी और ऐप में नहीं देखा है. माइट बी अवेलेबल बट आई हैवंट सीन. तो जब भी मेरा काम हो जाता था व्यूवर वीडियो से, आई यूज टू इंस्टॉल दैट बिकॉज काफ़ी सारे नोटिफिकेशंस आते थे. दैट वॉज नॉट ऑफ माई यूज. Next is ShareIt. ShareIt, a popular app for sending and receiving anything, any file, when you're being offline without using any internet, Wi-Fi. And yeah, it was most popular because it was faster than Bluetooth and all. You must know that there were many irrelevant contents which used to show them, which they used to give you notifications all the time about some very inappropriate things. Let's talk about the replaceable apps for the ShareIt. Number one is ShareAll. ShareAll is the exact replica of ShareIt, and it is an Indian app. We can say that it's an Indian version of ShareIt, and in fact its logo is almost similar, and it has so many ads prompting you at all the time. Yeah, ShareAll has a drawback that it has so many ads. Another one is GeoSwitch. So GeoSwitch is a safer option, I believe, and its interface is little simple and little different from ShareIt, and it has I think almost no ads on this platform. Another one is Files by Google. It's an American app, so you can use it as a good alternative to Chinese apps such as ShareIt and Xender. So next is AliExpress, Shein and Club Factory. Shein and Club Factory both being most favorite shopping apps for girls. AliExpress started as a B2B buying and selling portal, and then it expanded to B2C, business to consumer. People who are looking forward for wholesale orders can further look upon platforms like IndiaMart and Udaan as an alternative to AliExpress. So for B2B buying for retail, use these Indian apps which connect Indian manufacturers with buyers. Shein takes too much delivery time and charges you huge shipping charges. And Club Factory has always quality concerns, quality issues. We think twice before buying from Club Factory, and both charges you for return in case you want to return their item. And in fact, if you want to get a refund, they might be deducting from your refund amount for return charges. India has already many e-commerce giants in the business like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Paytm Mall, LimeRoad, Kabali, Pantaloons, Cooves, Bewakoof, Max Fashion, Lifestyle, Saltire, Stock by Love, and Ajio. Ajio is my favorite, right? So next about beauty apps, YouCam Makeup and Beauty Plus. These were amazing apps for creating beautiful pictures, for clicking beautiful pictures, editing and all. So they were having amazing features. I have found one amazing app, B6112. It's an old app, and it has wonderful features. Even clicking beautiful pictures, editing pictures, creating videos, short videos for Instagram, stories for Instagram, YouTubes and all. So you can try using them. And there is also one app called Rectrica that is also good. I am using B6112 and I have found that amazing. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो. And for other apps I won't be able to tell because I haven't used them much. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what else you would like to see on my channel. Bye bye, take care.